Lion! Lion! E is for elephant. Pig. Ha! Giraffe. Let's draw a turtle. First, we make a big shell. Now for the little legs. Wow, look at that! Turtle. Let's draw a monkey. First, we make a big circle for the head. Wow! Now let's draw the body and a silly tail. Panda! First, let's draw a happy little puppy.